Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can lock a folder in Windows 11. So let's get started. First, we need to create a batch file that will control the lock and unlock process. So start by right-clicking on the empty area and select New, then click on the text document. Open the new text file and paste in the script. You can find the full code in the video description or the pinned comment. And inside the script, look for the section where it says your password. Replace it with a password of your own choice. In my case, I'm entering my favorite number, but make sure you choose something secure. And once you have updated the password, click on File at the top left and then Save As. And change the file name to lock.bat. Very important, set the save as type option to all files and then save it. After that, you can delete the original text document and then double click the newly created batch file. You'll notice a new folder appear automatically. It's usually named private. You can move any files or folders you want to protect into the private folder. And when you're ready to lock it, double click the batch file again and you'll see a message asking if you want to lock the folder, and you're going to type in Y and press enter. Just like that, the folder becomes hidden from the view. And to access your files again, simply run the batch file once more. Enter your password when prompted and the folder will reappear. And that's it, a quick and easy way to hide your personal files in Windows 11. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.